Hey guys, what is up? Back with another video. I hope all of you guys are having a great day. I am feeling good. I'm feeling a little bit tired today, but besides that, we are doing good. I am in the sneaker room, the studio, the room where we sit down and chill and talk, whatever you guys want to call this place. This is where we are. But before we can just chill out here for a little bit, I have done a bunch of stuff already today, so we're going to be getting right into that. If you like this format of the vlog, as I adjust my camera, just let me know. It's different. I'm just sort of playing around with it, seeing how I like it. Let me know down in the comment section below if you like this, taking you back throughout what I did during the day. So far, you guys seem to really like it. I'm not going to do it every day, but I might throw it in here and there, like a little salt and pepper on your dinner. Anyway. We started off the day really good. I had a basketball practice at school. I coach junior varsity basketball. If you guys don't know, we had a Saturday morning practice. I really like Saturday morning practices. And then I left the school to see something a little bit interesting outside. So I just came out of my Saturday morning practice for my JV guys basketball team, and I look in the parking lot behind me and there's like 4 cop cars. I know you probably can't see it, but there's 4 cop cars completely ripping apart an all blacked out sedan with the K9 unit and like 6-7 police officers just sitting. It's crazy. There, you can sort of see it in the rear view window. There is the cops. That is the car that they're going through behind that gray car. They've been there for the better part of like 2 hours and they're just ripping apart this car. So I have no idea what's inside, but the fact that they're taking 2 hours to search this car probably means that there's something pretty bad in it. Practice was good. Seeing a car getting searched is just another good way to start a day in Winnipeg. It's a private school too, so like seeing, you know, 4 cop cars and 6 police officers just ripping apart someone's car in the parking lot of a private school. I don't know what the deal was there. It was like an entire family in the car, and I don't know, I'll watch the evening news tonight and see if they found any drugs in there. But it was an interesting time to see that happening in the parking lot. And then next, I wanted to meander on over to the mall. I haven't been there in a long time. We're talking like 2 or 3 weeks I haven't been to the mall. So I wanted to head over to the mall, see what they had at the mall, say what's up to Alden Sansano, the world's most famous Champ Sports employee. Didn't get him on the vlog today, but he was there, chopped it up with him, and we also checked out some sneakers. Let's see what they had. I don't know what is happening today, if there's some sort of mega sale at the mall or something, but there is literally no parking. I've been driving around the parking lot for 5 minutes. I haven't seen a single empty parking. Oh, there we go. I found a parking spot. Let's go. Let's go. I don't know what's happening at the mall today. Hopefully there's some good sales or something, because it is packed. Whew, we are in Champ Sports. I think these just came out today. Alden, did these come out today?
Yes.
These just came out today. These are like the I whooped all these teams Jordan 10s. That's the nickname I have for these, because Jordan whooped all these teams in the finals. You got the Sonics, you got the Lakers, you got the Suns, you got the Trail Blazers. I am really tired right now. I probably sound like an idiot, and I forgot teams. Hey, what's up, man?
What's good, bro?
Boom, we got these 2. These came out last weekend. I was supposed to get these in the mail from someone that was supposed to send them to me, but then I lost my phone, so I couldn't PayPal them the money, and I don't know if he's still sending them to me, but I PayPal'd them the money, so hopefully they're still on the way, because these are really nice, and I was getting them for way below retail, so happy about that. These things are sick. The Olive Jordan 13s, I think these are actually a really nice pair of shoes. And then, let's talk about this Jordan brand. The Jordan 1, this is trash. This is the All-Star LA Jordan 1. I know Seth has these, he loves them, Seth Fowler, he's wearing these all the time. When I was in New York, he wore these like every single day because he likes them that much. I think these are poop. These are terrible. These are just not an attractive looking pair of shoes. I mean, like, just the leather and the wax laces and the icy bottom, just a whole bunch of stuff that does not work well together. I don't know, not my thing. Buy it if you like it, but not my thing. And then in a surprise look at stuff sitting, we have Jordan 13 Breads, and we have the blue suede 5s and these ugly camo 5s that have been sitting here forever. But really surprised to see these sitting, because these came out in August and they're still sitting here. That's crazy. That was cool. Those Jordan 10s, I wish they were made out of leather, and I wish there was like different shades of gray. Like, I think it's a good concept of the shoe to have all those colors on the outsole. I think they should have put the colors on like the lace holes or whatever, the things that hold in the laces, those sort of panels there. They should have put the different colors there and then done like a gray scale going from like dark gray on the bottom to light gray on top. I think that would have looked cool. Definitely some missed potential on that shoe if you ask me, but I mean, it's still a nice pair of shoes. Those Olive 13s are really nice as well. well. Probably gonna end up scooping those if they're not already on the way, because I really like those. They're great. Let me know what you guys think of them down in the comment section below. But then the final stop we had before we get back here is Livestock. We went to Livestock downtown. We had a little bit of a mission to do there. Oh my goodness, I am so tired today. I just completely left my car open and running with the keys inside when I was parking downtown. That is not good. There we go. So, yesterday, I was at Livestock with my buddy Alex. We were checking out some shoes. He tried on some shoes, I tried on some shoes. We both decided that we were gonna buy some shoes. He's gonna come back for his pair of shoes later. He's coaching basketball today. He coaches the grade 6 and 7s at the school that I coach, the junior varsity at. I, on the other hand, just didn't have my wallet yesterday, so I couldn't buy them yesterday. That was a bit of a problem. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. But we're at Livestock. I'm gonna go scoop up the pair of shoes. They said they were gonna hold them for me today, so hopefully they are still there. I'm gonna buy myself a pair of sneakers. There's some birds going nuts over in that bush, like they're really chirping. And just like that, we are back and we have the shoes. I did indeed purchase the shoes. Now, first off, I need to give a big thank you to the guys at Livestock. They are awesome. They gifted me with this crew neck. I didn't really take a look at it, but they were just like, hey, Tom, we got something for you. We want to send you something, or not send you something. We just want to give you something because you're the best. And I'm like, thank you guys. I am the best. I thank you for realizing this. So they gave me this awesome oh wow, this is actually like good quality stuff. This is a thick crew neck. It just says Livestock right there. Thank you guys very much. I really appreciate it. Fits perfect too, guys. Thank you. It means a lot to me. Now, I bought a pair of shoes and this is ridiculous. Let me just talk to you guys about how stupid this is. Look at the size of this box. It is huge. You could fit like 2 small children inside of the shoebox. It's by far the biggest sneaker pickup I've had this year. This box might be the biggest sneaker box. Like I have this box from Converse, which, I mean, this box is big, but this has 2 pairs of shoes in it. This box is huge. Look at the size comparison. This box isn't that much smaller. I mean, it's decently smaller, but this is a huge shoe box for 1 pair of shoes. So you guys are probably wondering, now Tom, what the heck is inside of this shoe box? Well, it is a Nike Air Force One, as you guys may have seen already by the front of the box. And if you guys watched yesterday's video, you know what colorway of shoe this is already. It is a Special Forces. The official colorway on it is Special Force Air Force One. Dusty Peach and Dusty Peach, and they are very accurate because there's literally only 1 color on this shoe. It is completely monotone, monochrome, monochromatic, monotomatic. I don't know what words we're using today, but that's what they look like, and they look sick. They look very nice. I'm a huge fan of these. Let's get this one up here and let's take a look at this one. These things look so nice. Like, look at these. So I love the material switch up, how it goes from like this ripstop canvas back here on the heel and on this big collar up top to this really nice rough suede on the toe box, and the midsole is the same color as everything. It's a great color. I talked about this yesterday. It reminds me of this little creek out at my cabin where I used to play a lot as a kid, and there's like lots of iron in the ground, I guess. So the water would come up and mix with the iron and it would create like this muddy clay that was exactly this color. So I don't look at these as a dusty peach. I look at these as like a clay or sort of irony color, and I love these things. They look really nice. I've always wanted a pair of these shoes. I feel like lots of the colorways don't look good on me because I'm a tall, skinny guy, but I tried these on with actually some baggier jeans and they looked really good. I'll be showing you what these look like on feet in a future video, no doubt, and you guys can let me know whether you think they look good, great, terrible, so-so, or absolutely freaking amazing. Let me know once I throw them on feet, but I think it's just such a unique, crazy looking shoe. It mixes that Special Forces boot with an Air Force One perfectly. It doesn't look awkward. It doesn't look like some stupid fusion. It looks like something that should have been made. Like sometimes Nike tries to combine 2 models, like the Air Max Plus and the Vapor Max, and you just get some ugly looking shoe, or the Air Force One and Air Jordan models and you get some even uglier looking shoe. But they combined the Special Forces boot with a Air Force One and they created something that actually looks very nice. I don't know what else I could say about this shoe besides it's great. It's a little bit expensive, I could say that. It's 240 Canadian dollars. I believe it's 190 or maybe even 200 US dollars. 240 is a lot of money. After tax, I think I paid 278. That's a lot of money, or maybe 268. I think I paid $268, but that's a lot of money. That is a lot of money for a pair of shoes, but I haven't bought a pair of shoes in a while. So I was like, you know what? I can treat myself. I can scoop these bad boys up, and scoop these bad boys up is exactly what I did. I think these are great. Let me know what you think of these down in the comment section below. What would you give these out of 10? Could you personally wear these? Do you think you could pull these off? I love these two straps up here. Like there's this strap, which is like a sort of a clip type strappy thing, and then this one, which is like a different clip type strappy thing with the paracord. It reminds me of lacrosse laces on a lacrosse net. It looks like something you'd make out of those. I'm very good with my words with the clip type things and the other clip type things. Anyway, I really like this pair of shoes, and I've had a great day. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and if I can make your day just a little bit better, that means the world to me. So as always, if you're not already following me on Instagram or Twitter, make sure to do so down in the comment section below. If you're not already part of the Real family that tunes in every single day, the Real fam on this channel tunes in every single day, watches every video, hits that like button every day, follows me on Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff, and really connects with what I'm doing here, I appreciate every single one of you. It's not too late to join that group of people. You guys are the best. I love you from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you tomorrow.